Everyone, this is Rishikesh from the group 2201 CS31 and 2201 CS01, along with Akash Shankar, who will be presenting our P2P MERN project here. Uh, actually, I'll just take you through my code and show a little bit of working for that's how long it will be. So let us quickly go through it. I'll just run my code once and show you the working of the whole system, and then I'll take you through the code. So I'll just run the command here. You can see that it's now hosted on localhost. So let's enter this URL here. Yeah. So this is the basic login page of our project. Like I showed you in the last time, the 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 progress video in which we could see this about us, download and support, and this icon here. So this is the basic home page where we can just enter a username and log in. So let me just enter my username. Oh sorry, the email, you don't need to enter the email, you can just enter the name. That's what I entered in the database last time. So let's enter my name here and password at 14. Okay. So it shows welcome Rishikesh, and now I can upload a file and download a file. So let's say I just want to upload a file here. uh, so I'll just upload a file, and here it opens up a dialog box where I'm shown to choose a file and generate the link of the chosen file. So in this computer I'll just show from my computer and download through one peer. Currently this system works for only one peer, which can be in any other system. You can just upload a file here. Let's say I upload some file and I want to generate the link. So you can see that this link is being generated here, which I can just copy, and we can just go to download. In this, like I said, and in this system I've just included the go to download button here so that I can just show you through my own system how to download. In general, you can download it through any other system because it's hosted on this link. So you can just download this, and we just paste the download link and click download. You can see that the download has been taken place and this file has been downloaded. So see, as you can see also in this folder, it's downloaded here. So we can see that it's working, but in general it is it can also work in any other file. Now let me just show you the home page once again to enable to show that I have implemented the basic functionalities also. So you cannot sign in without a username. Please enter username, the localhost says, because we have not entered a username. And we have also included some basic headers in which we can contain some information. Right now these are basically empty, and then we have the create account. So in this opens up a dialog box where we enter the username, we enter a password and confirm the password, and then we create account. So these functionalities are also have included. In case we just forgot password, we can also reset that. So this is the basic functionality of my code. Now let me take you through the code here. So yeah, let's just go through the front end. So here we have the basic components here. Let me just take you through them. So this is the header, this part that I have included, the about us, download and support, and we have password box, username box, and similarly we have like the download pages here. So the download page that you can see, like uh, the download page that you can see, this page. So this page is of this I've just included. I've this included a download part, and this is the basically the username that will be rendered in this part, the dialog box. Similarly, we have the landing page, in which I have just included this is the basic landing page like I took you through before. So this is the basic landing page. This is also the login page. So this is the basic code of the login page. We have upload button and download button. Oh sorry, the landing page is this one, not that one actually. This is the landing page of a particular profile. After authenticating that profile, we get to the landing page of that particular user. Similarly, I can take you through the link page. This is the link page that we use to generate the link, and then we download the link. And then we have the login page. As you can see that we have used React. So we have used a global context provider. Like you can see, this is the file context. Okay, this is the general file context in which I've created a file context. That's basically a pipe that we can use to share within the system. And this is the respective code for it. So we have, like you can see, we can import it the context provider from that context file. This is basically the file provider, and we have just wrapped our whole component around this file provider so that the files can be shared interconnected. Like any particular resource that I use in, let's say, the reset password page, that the same resource I can use in the sign up page. So we have these files, and then we have also the reset password page in which we get to enter and re-enter the passwords, and then we authenticate, and then we just reset the password of that user. That involves sending an email of the original password that we want to reset. However, that functionality I have not included yet in my code. uh, this is the sign up page. We get a new sign up, and yeah, that's about it. This is the upload page in which you get to upload the file. So here I've included the upload functionality by creating a separate function called file upload box. This takes the selected file as input, and as the entry in that upload file changes, the state of the selected file variable also changes each time, as you can see in this handle file change. And I've just included the same. So another thing that I wanted to show you is, uh, there's not much that I can take you through right now, because I've already showed you all the pages and the components, which basically comprise of the whole project, and the rest is the basic backend where you get to authenticate. You can see the middlewares. This is the use.js middleware. So where you basically get to authenticate the project and authenticate the credentials, and then go to the account of the user. And similarly, you can store the files in a database if you want. So those functionality has been implemented in the backend. Now there's another thing that I want to show you, is that what I was actually trying to do. So this process is midway, that includes connecting to multiple peers actually. So I'll take you through that code also. uh, that I have not implemented completely right now, but that is what I've been trying to do. So that is also available on my GitHub repo link. So this is basically, I'll just open up the link once. Just give me a second. I'll just log in. Okay, so authentication code. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so I've got the yeah, I've got the password. So 668088. Okay, so I've logged in already. Let me just take you through the I'm so sorry. Just open up GitHub on my other repo. Yeah. So here's the repo that I wanted to take you through, and this is the link. Where's the readme file? Yeah, here we go. So basically this is the whole file at how to make your own BitTorrent client. That's what I wanted to make. So this can include multiple peers. This uses actually B encode or Ben code, if you please. That is basically a code that is used to encrypt the files before actually uh, sharing them to torrent. And then we share a request to the tracker that sends a list of all the peers that contain that file, and then we can send an all out request to all those peers which eventually share the file, and then we can access those files. So this is the basic code of that I've been trying to implement, which I've not currently added to the project. So this is the get peers function in the trackers.js file, as you can see. So we basically send a connection request, which is a UDP connection request, so that it does not take a lot of time. And then after the message comes, we can just implement this. If the type is connect, that if we are connecting to that tracker, this is the particular response. And if we are announcing that to the tracker that we want to share, we want this kind of file, so this is the basic response to that tracker. So similarly, index.fare, this index.js, I have included tracker from /tracker, and then I've just printed console log list of peers, and it will print the list of peers that the tracker has sent back to us. So this is just a basic example of what I've been trying to do. This will be further extended and added to the P2P MERN project, but unfortunately I could not add it right now due to the lack of time. I wish to carry this out further and inculcate this into the whole project. So this was the whole project, and thank you for watching.